I took a airport cab which costed me 850 rupees and reached my destination, which was Gostop's hostel. I'm going to do a full video about my experience over here. It was quite late, around 10:30 p.m., so I just had some dinner and decided to go off to bed so I can start exploring the next day fresh and early. My outfit for the day was black trousers and black t-shirt with an ethnic jacket to add some pop of color. I also added some golden jewelry, and this is inspired by Prerna Chhabra.
Hi everyone, welcome to Udaipur. I'm currently standing on a bridge which is connecting the two sides. So on that side is where my hostel is. I'm at Gostop's hostel, and on this side is City Palace. It's currently around 10:45 in the morning and I'm headed to City Palace. There are two lakes. That one is for the cars and this one is if you want to cross by walking. So it's only 700 meters from my hostel and I'm headed there. This is my outfit for the day and let's go and explore Udaipur day 1. It's around 11:30 and I'm having some brunch. I've ordered some frappe, iced coffee and then some pasta to go with that, and I'm at Jill's cafe. I'm gonna put the link in the description for the location, and the view from here is really great. Let me turn the camera around and show it to you guys. Hi everyone, I'm currently at Gangaur Ghat, which is the first point if you take a heritage walk in Udaipur. I'm not taking the heritage walk, I just want to show you the ghat. It's actually 1:30 right now and I'm just coming out from Bagor Ki Haveli, which I'm going to show you just after this clip. So let me turn the camera around and show you the ghat first.
केसरिया
Jagdish Temple is one of the monuments that you will absolutely not miss if you go to old city of Udaipur. Bagor Ki Haveli is also a great place to visit, especially if you're a history buff. You will learn so much more, especially if you get a guide and enjoy the whole tour like how I did. Coming up next is a lot more from Udaipur. The same day I visited City Palace of Udaipur, and that is coming in part 2 of day 1. So stay tuned, and this is going to be the absolutely beautiful view from City Palace that I am visiting in the afternoon in part 2. Like, subscribe and comment, and stay tuned.